welcome back. Today is going to be amazing because we are going to the biggest furniture store in the world here in NC. It's in Hilltop?
High Point.
Oh, sorry, it's in High Point. I don't know why I said Hilltop. Hilltop something, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, it's in High Point here in NC. And super excited. You guys know that we got a new house and we are looking at...
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
You see,
I know it's not actually curved,
but I can go with
Yeah.
it. I can go with it. Yeah.
I think it's the lines are so soft
Yeah.
that it's not actually curved, but it
So we are looking at all different rooms. We have a person who's gonna help us. Oh my god.
Look at the front of the bed.
Look at the
Not just. Look what the king would in that feel like
Oh.
close, similar. But I think this might, you might be right. This might be a little tall.
it's hard to say, but
Actually it is exactly 60.
okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
just like under the
Like
window.
This is 60. Yeah.
Looking for dining, living room, and bedroom. So we are exploring all our pieces that we see.
40, 70. Okay.
So we saw one building and then now we're gonna go to the other building because she's gonna show us more around. It's impossible to come here on your own and try to figure out where to go and see because you tell her your style and she'll take you to those areas basically.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We're now going to the outlet, and we just went into that building, took the link to this building, and now we are going to the outlet. Ayan, come on, let's go.
So we are in the outlets of the same store and then just look at it. It's dining tables, there are couches and everything is 50% off over here. There are chairs, dressers, the recliners over there, couches, like anything you can imagine is here in the store.
So that section is whole living room, sofas and stuff, and this section is whole dining. So we're gonna go through it.
We are going back home now. We walked a lot. Yeah, even though we had someone who was helping us, it is a very big store, so we walked a lot.
We definitely did not see everything.
Yeah, we did not see everything because we wanted to actually just see what we want for the new house. There's no point in seeing something that we don't want and waste the time. So yeah, but we had a lot of fun. This whole store is furniture land, basically is amazing. So there's something for everybody. I feel like everybody will get something or the other that they like here. So it's very beautiful. I like it. All price ranges.